Hey guys, once again I'm here to do another install or to show short clips I install what I did on my car. On my Honda Civic hatchback, as you know on the title, we're doing a diffuser install for my Honda Civic hatchback LX 2019. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and hopefully you like it, and hopefully the modification that I put on today, it's really good. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you. So we drilled a hole here so we can mount the diffuser, and as well here. We also gonna use this to mount it so you don't make another hole. And this one too, where used to be the clip. So hopefully it comes out good. To install these, they give us some hardware with spacers. These ones go in the front with the stock diffuser, and this one goes in the back so it can fit perfectly. And we already jacked up the car and we already put the holes on it just to install them. So the spacers from the back to the other side. There's a little space in there so you can clean it. There's the other spacers. For the winglet, for the side of the other ones, what we did, because it doesn't come pre-drill already, we have to drill the fin ourselves. So what I did is I used the clips that were holding the bumper and used that to drill our holes. There's only two, one in the back and one in the front to hold it. We did the same procedure on the other side. So the side fin would fit better. This is how it looks when it's installing the car. For me, it looks pretty good. I like how it turned out. It looks nice and clean. On my last video, one of my videos, I show off my muffler exhaust system. I went back to the muffler shop to do a little bit modification to rise it up a little bit more and doesn't stick out a lot. So I fixed that so it can look nice and better with the diffuser. So this is how it looks. I really like it. It pops out of all the cars that I've seen outside on the street. I don't know, what do you guys think? Does it look good or bad? For me, it looks great because it's my car and this is how I want it to look.